I built this beautiful expense tracker app in minutes using AI. No coding needed. First of all, open your browser and go to Lovable. Click on the Login button. It may take a few moments, and then you'll land on this clean and modern dashboard interface. The layout is super simple and beginner-friendly. Once you create projects, all of them will appear here. Since this is a fresh account, it's currently empty. Now click on the Start Building button. This will redirect you to the main creation page. To build an app, all you need to do is provide a prompt describing what you want. Here's the prompt I'm using for this expense tracker app. You can also find this prompt in the video description below. Feel free to modify the prompt however you like. Once you're happy with it, click on this black button to start generating the app. One cool thing is that it actually shows the entire process step by step, so you can see what the AI is doing behind the scenes. Depending on your app's complexity and features, this may take a few minutes. And just like that, our app is ready. You can preview the app here, and if you want, you can ask Lovable to modify the UI or add more features using simple text prompts. Our basic expense tracker app is already fully functional. Even dark mode is working perfectly. We can add income or expenses very easily. Let's add an expense, and instantly, all the values update automatically. Now let's add another transaction. This actually looks really good. Here you can see all the recent transactions. We can even delete transactions directly from here. Now let's improve this app a little more. I think it would be really useful to have a search feature to filter transactions. So let's ask Lovable to add a search bar. And interestingly, Lovable already suggests this feature automatically. Adding new features is incredibly easy. Honestly, it feels faster than asking a developer to make updates manually. After a few moments, the new feature is added in the perfect location. You can continue improving the app by adding more features or redesigning the UI however you want. Once you're happy with everything, simply click on the Publish button to deploy your app online. Now define your app URL. Since we're using the free version, we need to make the app public. Click Continue. From here, you can generate a social sharing image automatically, or upload your own custom thumbnail. Once everything looks good, click Continue again, and finally hit the Publish button. And that's it. Our app is now live. Let's open it. You can either copy the URL or click on the View App button. And now, our fully functional expense tracker app is deployed and accessible from any device using this URL. This is honestly one of the easiest ways to build and launch apps in 2026 without coding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools, no-code tutorials, and tech content. And if you want to try building this app yourself, check the links and prompt in the description below.